Here we are in Emerald. Lovely. It's very early, about 6:30. Out looking for a coffee. Had a good sleep, great motel right on the highway, never heard a thing. It was excellent. We're off to Longreach today, so big ride. Let's see how we go.
10 to 7.
Oh, it's 10 to 7 now, there you go. So, lovely day, sun's coming up, no wind, so it should be good. This is downtown Emerald. Here we are, still on the hunt for coffee, haven't found one yet. It's very quiet. Maybe something soon, we'll just see. Oh, here comes the garbage truck. JJ Richards, they're everywhere. Look at that. Can't escape them. Oh, we found our coffee. Super hot, super good. It's not very quiet. So, go back, have brekkie, pack up and be on the road. See you later. To Barcaldine, we're not really sure how to pronounce it. We just had, oh, I'm getting lessons here. We just had a really nice sandwich. I had a sandwich, salad sandwich. Craig had a pie at the local bakery. It was very, very nice. And now we're going down to see the Tree of Life. Is that what it was called? Tree of Life? Where the shearers, I've done my history lesson for the day, where the shearers all met in 1891. I don't even know if I got the date right, but I think I did. Maybe because they were having a strike, I'm not quite sure. They were? There you go. Read that on the way in, on the trivia signs on the highway. So, oh, look at this pub over here. Another big Queensland pub. Ah, there, it's pronounced Barcaldine. Barcaldine. Oh. Barcaldine. Got it completely wrong. Oh, that's very clever. I like that. Oh, it must have been a big strike they had here. Good sculpture. The shearers strike. Here we go. I'm going to get my history lesson because it's written down here. Oh, they've got their names and their pictures. Mr. Forrester. Mr. Barry. Mr. Griffin. Mr. Murphy. And many others. What is it? The memorial. Oh, Danny there, she used to march the streets. There you go. I was right, 1891. Yay! There you go.